Ready to make some money at home? Check out this video on InboxDollars. InboxDollars is an American marketing company. You do certain tasks and you can get paid depending on advertisement revenue, all while sitting at home killing time. Some of the tasks that you can do include surveys, videos, shopping promos, and much more. So the way it works, Inbox gets paid on advertisement revenue. So depending on the tasks that you do, you can earn a certain amount of money. Once you hit $30, you can cash out. So InboxDollars is available via web browser or on your phone. So you can actually do it on your phone while you're killing time in an airport or somewhere. This video is going to be a tutorial of InboxDollars, and I'm also going to give you my review on it. All right, guys, let's get started. All right, one quick note about InboxDollars. You can access it on your phone via web browser. There is an app, but it's only for the surveys. All right, so the first thing you need to do is sign up. So you're going to click sign me up. You're going to add your email address, passwords. You are going to have to verify the email address. So you're going to have to go to your email, click it, and click verify in order to get in. Keep in mind, you can only have one account per household. All right, so once you log in, this is what your homepage looks like. So you have a variety of different tabs and different ways that you can earn money through InboxDollars. So this is your long-standing tally over here. If you click on it, it will show you all of your earnings and it will show your recent activities. So I'm not going to show you everything for personal reasons, but you have all different tabs here. This is your payment history. When you reach $30, you can cash out. You hit request payment. So as you can see here, this is the recent activity on the account. It shows you the date and what you earned and what the activity was. So once you hit $30, you can cash out. So if I want to cash out, this is what it looks like. So in terms of accessing money on InboxDollars, you can get paid via PayPal, you can get gift cards, or you can receive a hard copy check. Up here, you have surveys, you have email, and you have your running tally and how much you've made off of InboxDollars. You can get paid 2 cents per email. You simply confirm, and that's it. You'd receive 2 cents into your account, and it would update instantly. And you can see here in the activity, it's right there. All right, the first tab we're going to look at is offers. So offers can be tricky, but glance through them, and if you're going to sign up for one of these things, you might as well get paid a little extra as well. This is where you can make substantial money. The problem is you don't always need these services. So like, for example, if you were going to sign up for Disney Plus, boom, you click this and you'll instantly, once you sign up and complete all the trial stuff for Disney Plus, you'd receive $5 in your account. So as you can see, there's quite a few advertising offers, gaming stuff. All right, going back to the home screen, videos. So this is the videos tab. So you can earn different amounts based on the amount of ads and videos you watch. So you simply click earn. So basically you have different ads that pop up. So you're supposed to visit the web page and the ads for about 30 seconds. And then once the timer's up, you hit continue to discover. And once the 14 is done, you get the 2 cents. You also can earn cash back, a certain percentage on shopping. So if you're going to shop at, like, for example, Home Depot, you get 8% cash back if you go through Inbox. You must go through here in order to receive it. So there's no code, but you simply go. And if you do it through the web page, through InboxDollars, that money will be put into your account at some point. So lots of different shopping opportunities to earn a certain percentage back. If you're going to do the shopping anyways, this is something you'd want to look at. All right, so in terms of coupons, you can print out coupons that you might use, and you get 25 cents per day. So basically you print out a couple and you can get up to 25 cents if you're going to use these coupons off of particular products. All right, games is another popular one you can do on your phone. There's quite a few games, and if you play games, you earn status on the scratch and win. And once you hit the markers, you scratch it and you can win a certain value. So in a couple seconds, it'll show up here. There you go. So, all right, easy cash. I've found that these are sort of gimmicks. These are too good to be true kind of things. I usually stay away from this one, but all these kind of things where it says all you do is you do surveys and you get paid. I've never actually gotten paid through any of these little gimmicky advertisements, so I would steer clear of those. You can make money on searches. This is kind of acts as like a Google search. So and basically everything you'd find on Google's, and you earn a status. So if you hit 4 in one day, your scratch and win will go up. And if you do more than 4 a week, you can get some extra revenue that way as well. If you feel like somebody would like this, you can actually get a certain percentage of their earnings if you refer them. So check this out if you feel like some of your friends may be interested in this. And there's a couple other sort of features here. So the survey tab is here. This is where you're going to find any surveys you qualify for. You simply update your information and surveys will pop up here. Now, surveys can run from 25 cents all the way to multiple dollars, depending on the length of the survey and how much the advertiser is paying. But surveys are definitely a way to increase the income. Also, I've found InboxDollars has some pretty good support. They will get back to you via chat. I've had a couple conversations with different people. Information is here, all frequently asked questions. So it's pretty good customer service for what it is. So overall, you're going to earn the most with InboxDollars in terms of shopping, the offers, and surveys. Videos and games are just a little bit extra. Just a reminder, you need $30 before you can withdraw. You can get paid via PayPal, you can get a physical check, or you can get paid in gift cards. So that's a wrap on InboxDollars. All in all, InboxDollars isn't going to make you rich, but it certainly can give you some fun money. You know, going out to eat, saving for vacation, little things. Just a little extra side cash you can earn while playing on your phone. Some of the negatives of InboxDollars. Well, since InboxDollars is based on ad revenue, it's an auction-style system. Therefore, over time, the advertisement revenues can go up or down depending on economic situations. So some of the tasks that you may do, you may earn less. Also, InboxDollars can sometimes limit the amount you make on certain activities. Sometimes surveys aren't available. Certain videos may not be available. Those are some of the cons of InboxDollars. Hope you guys enjoyed this video tutorial on InboxDollars. Be sure to hit that subscribe button, that like button. We'll see you guys next time.